Automotive businesses must innovate, improve supply chain performance, develop new products, optimize manufacturing, planning, and execution, improve quality, and stay compliant at scale. Automotive companies have come to depend upon process automation through business technologies, most of which are older legacy systems that can't keep up with new business requirements. Industry sea changes require automotive companies to address the demands of electric vehicle (EV) design and production and ever-increasing quality mandates, all while keeping costs in line with profitability objectives. As a result, automotive businesses must adopt modern business and manufacturing technologies too, fully integrated design, manufacturing, and quality assurance to ensure compliance and reduce product recall risk, bring best-in-class production processes designed for complex EV manufacturing needs, expand and integrate supplier options to have access to necessary materials and components, gain tighter control and visibility into inventory levels, production processes, and supply chain movements, and cost-effectively stay ahead of new regulations and compliance requirements related to sustainability. We believe that every automotive company can meet today's requirements more quickly and cost-effectively than ever thought possible. Modern ERP, MES, PLM, CRM, supply chain, and business intelligence solutions deliver the tools, visibility, processes, integration, and decision support needed to thrive. Automotive businesses have come to rely on PCG to solve the most complex manufacturing, business, and technology challenges. By consistently and predictably delivering on the promise of advanced solutions, PCG brings new levels of business performance, process improvement, and integration, flexibility, compliance, and sustainability. PCG's automotive solutions put you on the road to real-time visibility into supply, inventory, and production processes, faster production innovation and design, better forecasting, planning, and decision-making, flexibility and scalability to meet changing customer and compliance needs, end-to-end business and technology integration to meet your most demanding requirements, real-time quality monitoring and control, tracking and analyzing defects, minimizing scrap and rework, deep, comprehensive, and trusted insights that lead to better decisions and lower operating costs, lowering product recall risk to the business. PCG is the leader in creating sustainable automotive businesses by consistently and predictably delivering on the promise of in-for-business technology to automotive OEMs and suppliers. Our Industry 4.0 transformation capabilities propel automotive companies to leadership in their category through advanced automotive solutions, skilled experts, and proven resources that lead every step of the way. To learn more about PCG's automotive solutions or to learn how PCG has assisted other automotive businesses, call 800-265-1230 or email info@pcgservices.com.